Well, Ollie, it's safe to say it's been a whirlwind couple of weeks with Luke Williams returning to the club, but this time as the boss. First of all, how have the past couple of weeks been working under him?
Really good. I think there's been a big difference around the place, in the changing room, on the training pitch. I think he's just brought a real surge of energy to everything. And obviously he's been here before, so he knows a few of the players, he knows the place, he knows the fans, and you know how much everything kind of means to the fans. So he's really kind of come in, settled in really well, and really helped re-energise everyone.
Yeah, that's interesting because obviously it's early days. There's still a lot of work to be done on the pitch, tactically and everything. But it's safe to say, like you said, just that shift in energy, it can make a world of difference to a squad, can't it?
Yeah, definitely. I think he's come in with obviously a different kind of identity to what Duff had. But he's really honing in on the possession side of it, which is what we kind of thrive on. So yeah, it's been massive. And yeah, like I said, the buzz around the place has been lifted.
And that Swansea way, that identity that's so important to that club, is it safe to say that you as a squad of players, you're a lot more comfortable, aren't you, with that style? And like you said, that's what you thrive on as a group. Yeah,
it's more what we're used to and it's what our strengths are. Obviously there's a lot of similarities to the way he wants to play to what we did last year. So he's kind of coming in and trying to build off that, which is what we've got, what we're used to, what we know how to do. So it's massively helped.
And for yourself personally, Ollie, how do you assess your current role within the squad at the moment?
It's a difficult one to answer. But no, I just keep working hard in training, making sure that when I get given that chance, I'm ready to take it.
Big FA Cup tie away to Bournemouth coming up this week. How much are you looking forward to the challenge of facing a Premier League side?
No, can't wait. The FA Cup, obviously, the draws you want the big teams. You want to try and challenge yourself against Premier League opposition. And obviously we faced them already this season, so it'll be nice to kind of get one back or give them a game and just see what we can do and challenge ourselves against Prem players.
And looking at the last couple of results since Luke Williams has come in, especially I guess that second half against Southampton, do you feel like, again I know it's early days, but do you feel like the work is being done to give yourselves the best chance against Bournemouth on Thursday?
Yeah, I think, like you said, it's still early days. We've got so much to work on and there's never quite enough time to do it. So it's kind of picking what we can to try and improve the game. So there was a lot of lessons learned against Southampton, which is what we've been working on this week. So hopefully we can kind of put the second half performance with another good performance in the first half, put it together and hopefully give a good performance.
Looking back at the last round in the FA Cup, I know Morecambe, completely different challenge to travelling away to Bournemouth, but how determined are you as a group to build on that? Because everybody loves a good cup run, don't
Yeah,
they?
everyone loves a good cup run, and you just kind of want to stay into the competition as long as you can and play against as many different teams as you can. So we've just got to take this game head on, do as much as we can and hopefully progress to the next round. Being
underdogs, because on paper Bournemouth will be the favourites, do you think that will suit Swansea going into the game with no pressure at all?
Yeah, a little bit. I think it's always easier to go into games when there's not as much pressure on you, but we know ourselves we're good enough to win the game. We know it won't be easy, but we've just got to do everything we can and focus on ourselves and our performance, and hopefully we'll do enough.
Bournemouth, what have you made of their season? I know you mentioned you faced them already this season, but what have you made of their season in the Premier League?
No, they're doing well. I think they've kind of started off a bit slow and they've kind of picked up now, and I know they're on good form at the moment. It will just be a good test and a good challenge and something that we're all looking forward to.
And hopefully Jack Army will be in fine voice down in South England.
Yeah. Hopefully there'll be a good crowd down making as much noise as they can, because we'll need it.